after a few days later from the teardown and some cleaning up, there was actually some pretty cool stuff in here, like this chrome skid plate, a chrome adjustable trans plate, an oil filter slash voltage regulator holder, a GMA brake caliper, and the transmission actually cleaned up pretty good. I haven't opened it up yet, but I started already removing some paint, try to get to polishing it, but that's where it is right now. Now the bad news is rod bearings are out. No worries though. I called a few places, and Dragon Man seems to be the cheapest one out there. So from his video, he claims that he charges $675 to do the entire lower. So he glass beads the cases, all seals, all the bearings, basically everything that's on it that needs to be replaced gets replaced. And as far as the oil pump and the cam, I'm about to find out. I'm about to call him up and see if this is all legit. Hang it tight. Yes, sir. I had spoke with you earlier this morning.
Shovelhead. Oh, yeah. What's up?
I'm trying to write everything down so I can make sure I got everything in line. Okay.
And put a note inside, rebuild the lower end, $675, and a return address and telephone number.
Far out. Now, the oil pump, do you rebuild those two, or do I need to take that off?
Well, the way you send it, whatever's on there, that's the way it's going to come back.
Far out. Okie doke. Now, on the cam as well, if the lobes are bad, y'all will replace those?
Well, yeah, we'll call you up. Yeah, for the money that you're going to spend, we just changed the bushings, the bearings, balancer, reboot rod, 3-hole crank pin, and the glass beater cases, and anything other than that, I'll call you up if you need it.
Far out. Okie doke. Well, then I'll be packaging this up and sending it out this afternoon. Thank you, sir.
Okay, I'll give you a call when we get it.
Awesome. I appreciate it.
Okay. Have a good day.
You too. $675 for everything he just said, and then whatever else is needed after that, which is going to be my cam and rebuilding the oil pump if needed. Dude, that's a deal. Alright, there she is. I had already planned on using Dragon Man in the first place after seeing all his videos. I just figured I'd try to see if there was anyone closer, so that way I didn't have to wait the 2.5 waiting period, because he's 2 to 3 weeks out. But once he gets to your order, he guarantees 5 days. So there's that. Now, I did check a handful of places here in Texas that did the same kind of work, but they ranged from $1,000 to $2,000, and none of them offered what Dragon Man offers. Some of them didn't even do the bead blasting. So for the money, Dragon Man's got it. So even with his 2 to 3 week waiting time, even if I was gonna take it to someone in town, I mean, to someone in Texas. I have a couple jobs that I'm in the middle of, so I wouldn't even be able to take off from Lubbock in a week or so anyway. So, you know, I send it off today. It'll get to him in 3 days-ish. And then I wait 2 weeks, so 2 to 3 weeks. He'll call me, let me know when I'm in line, and then from there, 5 days, and I should have a brand new lower end headed back home. I'm just about to find out how much it's gonna cost to send it, and then how much it is when they send it back. Well, it costed $210 to ship it. It was like $40 for the insurance, $40 to get it packaged, and then I guess the rest was because of its weight. It weighed 85 pounds. But it's off to Dragon Man now, and it's supposed to be there by Thursday. Well, in 2 days, he'll get it in 2 days. If he gets it in 2 days, and then I gotta wait 2 to 3 weeks, I should have it back in about a month. I can dig that.